All right, I took a little bit to, defrustrate. Got some tools. We are now going to do the assembly, actual proper assembly, hopefully, of this fruit press. So I'm going to set up and you guys get to watch. Flip it around. Hopefully, my happy little helper decides not to try to help. Everything's on this side so I can prop the phone up so you guys can see it. So hopefully, the phone will sit here, maybe, hopefully, maybe not. Maybe we can set it up over here. Let's try. That might work. Okay, so we'll try and keep everything in this vicinity. Okay. Oh. Take off parts. Bits. More bits. That. We already have tools. Uh-oh. Craptacular. Oh, there it is. Okay. I thought I had lost a nut. Just a little guy. Here. That little guy. That goes back with those other ones. That goes over there. Okay. So, you saw the instructions from earlier. They didn't help at all. So, we're doing this. I'm probably going to put the feet on this part last, because they're really not that important at the moment. Washer. Lock washer. Big nut. And this beast is a 15/16. It's 12 point. You don't need a 12 point. It's just the first one I found that works, that fits. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we have to try to stabilize this. Yeah, let's put it here. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just tightening the nut down. Come on. Oh, the side's too big. We need this side. Oh, so am I wrong? Dun-dun. I don't know. For some reason, it didn't like the other side. I'm going back on this side. There we go. All right. He's good and snug. And that's pretty much all that needs to be done to that besides attaching these 3 feet. Which, why not do that now while I'm at it? Again, because we do not know officially which ones are supposed to go, we are going by logic and deduction. So, you have a screw, a washer, and a nut. You have you have normally 2 free hands, but I don't. Screw and washer. And drop everything, because why not? Take 2. Through a leg. Through a hole. Okay. And then we'll take the little bitty nut and thread it on a screw. Yay! And then we'll grab another one. Screw. Washer. Find a hole. Through. Grab a nut. Put the nut on. This is a, I can't even read that, 3/8. And it actually has a ratcheting end. So, you can do that. Or, just stick it on there. Easiest way to do it, of course, is the main reason I grabbed that is just so I can hold it in place while I screw it in with power tools, because I'm lazy. I got my handy dandy bits. Ta-da! And let's see. We'll grab one of these guys to work with. Pull this up. And, oops, I need that screw. When you have bits that don't want to come out, you have to pry. Alright. It's a good fit. Grab this. Grab this guy. Wrong way. No, that is the wrong way now. Back in the hole. My bits and power tools do not match. I don't care. The function works. Grab my wrench. I hope you can all see this. I don't know if you can. I will have to take a look at the video after. That goes there to hold the nut. And really, that's going to be a pain in the butt. All right. So apparently, it doesn't want to work this way, because that would make my life too easy. So I'm going to need to try to just do it this way. Dun, 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 dun. Why? Because the tools do not want to give you what you need, which is room. So we do it the hard way. Come on. Well, I achieved the objective. I will pull out the bit so I can achieve the objective even better. I'm hoping you can actually see this. I just want you to sit there so you hold it. There we go. Wrong way. This way. Because heaven forbid anything be easy. Ha ha ha. And of course it doesn't want to grip it on that, but it likes this one. So try it. It's snug. Washer, nut, and flip, or washer, screw, pardon me, not nut. Washer, screw, washer, screw, hole, come here, nut, washer, screw, drop screw. Try not to lose it so the cat doesn't eat it. Are you just watching a movie? Or you look like you're watching. I don't know if you actually are. And of course that one popped out of the hole. Get back in the hole. We'll put the nut on. Why? Because we don't want it to pop back out of the hole again. Okay. Ish. Come on, get through there. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. In the hole. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. That's supposed to be over there. This guy goes over here. Snugged up. And finally, washer, screw, nut, hole, hole, nut, washer, come here. They appear to have given me spare parts. They're spares because they don't seem to belong anywhere. Yes, you are not supposed to have spare parts when doing stuff. But tell that to Vevor because I have spare parts. Washer, screw, nut. So I have 2 spare washer, screw, nut sets. I'm guessing it's probably in case you happen to lose one or what have you while putting everything together. I'm guessing. Again, they don't tell you anything in the instructions. Ow. Ow. Helpful hint of advice, don't drop wrenches on themselves. They hurt. But I'm good at it, so I do it anyways. Double check this side. All right. And those are the spare parts. Wrap them up, lay them together. And ta-da! You have a standing portion for your fruit press with legs. So yeah, okay. So that's all I need to do with this piece for like ever until I'm actually using it. So that's away. Next, we have to turn this into a barrel. And they give you wood slats. And, oh, they actually sort of pre-marked where you're supposed to screw the screws in. So it makes it really easy to figure out which way they go. So, yeah. Next step is to put these on. Yay. I'll try and put it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully that worked. Let's see if that same head, where did I put it? Oh, good. I lost it. Where is it? Oh, there's a bit. Found a bit. Need a bit. Open the bag that all the parts came in. That I took everything else out except for these guys. Because I want to see. Will this fit? This is actually a good fit. Perfect. So, you have your guide markers. Pick a spot and start. Power tools. Much faster. Dun, 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 dun. Wrong way. Really good at that. Turning, 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 turning. There we go. Power tools. Okay, where did that screw go? There it is. Okay. This guy goes here. And line up that little spot. That's what they've given you as a guide. So this is about the most instruction they've given you. Literally, because they're actually give you a hole. See? That's where you start. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to go this way. They also say to put the smooth side to the bottom and the beveled side to the top. I'm not really seeing the bevel, but there's a bevel in here. So we will pokey this guy. Give him a hole start.
Pokey this guy, is that the technical term?
That is my technical term. You don't have to like it. It is my technical. The smart ass in the background, folks, that is my other half. He likes to pick on me, which is okay, because I like to pick on him too. We have a love to pick on each other relationship, and it's great. And he knows if I start swearing with certain words, it's time for him to come over and help or run. So, yeah, it's one of those two options.
Running is safer.
Running is safer, as he says. There was a lot of those really choice words when I was putting that greenhouse together. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not going to cinch it all the way down because I want to get the other side put on so it stays even. Okay. So we have partially put in one side of the barrel, literal one slat. And now we're going to put on the other end. If I stop dropping the screws. Okay, he goes there. Dun, 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 dun. He keeps falling out of the hole, as most woman will say. And yes, please note this is not for children to watch. As most women would say, finding the hole is not my job. Okay. And of course it wants to fall out of the hole. There we go. Okay. At least everything can be corrected after. Because they don't really give you a way to tighten it all down without worrying about it. There we go. That one's twisting only a little now. They also don't give you a starting point. They just give you the parts and say, here, do it. You can do it. We're not going to tell you anything. Okay. A little cockeyed. Fairly easy to adjust. That looks straight. Now let's tighten this guy down. On the upside, you can, as you can see, it's not going to look straight right away. but you can adjust it as needed, whichever way. And once you get more in, it'll make it a lot easier. So now that we got that side on, we're going to do the complete opposite side to get it straight. So another one with the handy dandy little holes marked. Grab another 2 screws. This part's a little tedious. Sorry, folks. Find a hole, make it a little bigger. Find a hole, make it a little bigger. Now you can actually see them marked better. And I don't really know which side they say is beveled and which side isn't, but I know it goes this way. So now we will start over here. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if they're talking about the bevel on the other side because it makes it seem more rounded. I don't know. They don't tell you anything. As I've stated over and over. Really? Well, that's an interesting point that I've just found. Doesn't look like their holes are lined up, unless it's just because... No, their holes... Okay. Well, that's interesting. So it's got to go here and here. So that doesn't make it look very straight. I guess we're going to find out. Yeah, that makes it look way too far off. Take those out. Interesting quandary. We're going to try. Hey, honey. Does it look like the holes don't line up to you over here? Because they don't really line up to me.
No, they look all right to me.
Do they?
Remember, your base isn't dead center.
Huh?
Your base isn't dead center.
What do you mean my base isn't dead center? Explain.
Okay, lay it down again.
Yeah, I'm talking about the lining up. Here. Okay, there's a hole lined up. Does that look straight? Look at the wood.
No.
Exactly.
So just work around from what you got.
All right. Apparently, we're just going to do it this way because it doesn't look straight. Yeah, even here it doesn't look straight. Well, it wouldn't surprise me. We've already seen the instructions, so yeah. We'll start here. Hey, smart up. Get back in there. In the hole. Of course, it doesn't want to stand up straight. Why would it? That would make my life far too easy. Good enough till I get the next one. Hello, kitten. Are you coming to visit the people? Are you coming to visit the people and the mummy? Two pieces on. Yay! Okay, so I'm just going to stop this for now because, yeah, there's no point in you watching me screw in however many slots that is. But you get the gist of what I'm doing here. I will come back for a part 3. Hope you're having fun.